Hey guys, how you doing? Jeff Scalfani here. I'm still on my cast. I'm still healing, and my wife has been helping me on the last few videos. So I want to thank you, honey, for doing the help. I just want to say something that I noticed regarding this video. We do a lot of the Dollar Tree stuff, the dollar ribeye, the dollar pork chop, the dollar pork loin riblets we're doing today. And this is only 6 ounces for $1. Somebody told me that it's cheaper to just go to Publix and get a full rack. A 4-pound rack is cheaper. It's like $1.59 a pound or $1.99 a pound or whatever. So I calculated how much is this per pound, and I realized $2.72. $2.72. That's how much you'd pay for the full rack if you had a full rack of ribs. That's just one rib right there. So we're gonna cook it up and taste it, but no way am I buying any more meat at Dollar Tree because it's not always the cheapest bargain. Walmart's not always the best price. You need to do your math. Okay, so we calculated price per pound. It's way off the charts. I'd never buy a rack of rib for $2.72 a pound. All right, so let's get this in the oven. We're gonna get it on a cookie sheet and we're going to cook it up and see if it's any good. Okay, as you guys can see on my cookie sheet, the instructions said wrap in foil, cook at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 1.5 hours. That's a big time difference, 1 to 1.5 hours. So I'll have to check with my own thermometer just to find out when it's cooked. So let's check this out. It has its own mesquite barbecue sauce that it's been wrapped in. So let's taste this and see if it's any good. All right, we cooked this thing for an hour, which was the minimum it recommended. It took us way to like 195, 200. So it's fully cooked. It's more than cooked. That's what you do to pull pork out, as you can see the meat's all cooked. So we're gonna try this out. So there's 2 things we wanna know. Number 1, is it any good? And number 2, is it worth it? I'm gonna try this meat right now, but I gotta tell you, it's not like a rack of ribs. These are like Applebee's riblets, the kind you get. So if you like Applebee's riblets, this is the kind of rib it is, okay? So let's give it a try. It smells good, feels cooked, it temperature's right. Wow. That's seriously pretty good. Ironically, it's pretty good. So we have 2 questions. 1, is it good? Yes, it's pretty decent. We didn't even season it. You could taste it's a mesquite that they had on it. You could taste that all throughout the meat. And it's tender. So the quality's okay. You have nothing to worry about the quality. The value? Whole nother story. And that's why I warn you to do the math. Because if you calculate that compared to a 4-pound rack of ribs, you're paying almost twice the price. So I encourage you to shop. Okay? If you shop around, check out Walmart, check out Publix. There are always ribs on sale from California to Tennessee. I've never not found ribs on sale. So I'm used to doing $1.99. I'm used to doing $2. Not $2.72, that's what this is. So anyway, the flavor's good, but and good job Dollar Tree for bringing a decent quality. It's not the best quality, but it's at a good level, all right? So we'll check out some more stores and some more values, and we'll try to protect you guys on what to do, what not to do, all right? I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.